Hello and welcome to all the creative minds out there. My name is Melly and this is my channel Elucidated. I'll be sharing my journey as a beginner in the 3D world and Blender will be the trusted tool that I'll use in this case. I'm excited to explore the endless possibilities that this software has to offer, at least this is what I've been told. And as someone who just started using Blender a month ago, I'm still getting the hang of the interface and the tools that it offers. I'm trying to discover new techniques every day, and so far I've come across a few different ones, which shows the variety of different techniques that it has. And I'll be trying to follow tutorials and on how to effectively use various tools which are available to make more things to make things more interesting. I'll also be trying to do a combination of both, trying to follow the tutorials and at the same time try to bring my own artistic view into this. Now you can find the link of the tutorials in the description down below. I'll make sure to put them there so you can also maybe see through there. Maybe it's better for you or easier for you in case you are deciding to learn alongside with me. I should also mention that I'm relatively new to YouTube's and video editing programs, so my videos might not be perfect at first or like professional enough. However, I will put my best efforts and try to improve along the way. Through this channel, I hope to inspire and guide fellow Blender users, both beginners and experts. I'll be sharing valuable insights, tips, and tutorials that will help you enhance your 3D world building. So if you're interested in exploring the world of 3D art and design, hit that subscribe button and maybe you can try to learn through me and with me. Now, thank you for tuning in and let's get started. Okay, just before we start, I'll be presenting to you my clips and I'll let you see how they look like. It's important to mention that I did not actually plan to do this, so I did not record the whole way on how I did them, but I'll just provide some tutorials for you guys so you can just try to figure it out by yourself and try to follow those tutorials in order for you to learn more in case you are planning on learning more. For those of you who are already pros and experts, feel free to let me know on how to improve. Well, thank you for your time.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
Well, guys, thank you for your time and I hope you enjoyed what you saw. I know some of them can hurt your eyes, but if you have any questions or any suggestions regarding the next tutorials, feel free to let me know down below at the comment section, and I'll try my best to follow up with those. I'll try to replicate what I see from those tutorials, but if I fail to do so, please don't be too judgy because I'm just trying to learn it. And don't forget, have fun!